Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this gorgeous Indian style wall hanging. So I will share how to create this beautiful camel and elephant with the hand painted base and beautiful quilt and mirror decoration. Isn't it looking very vibrant and attractive? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I have given you the template of elephant and camel in the description box. You just need to print it out on A4 size paper, and I am just separating both the animals and fussy cutting it from the border. So fussy cutting is done. Now I'm taking 300 GSM thick cardstock. You can use any cardstock, but it should be thick. And I'm pasting both the figures on this cardstock using glue. Burnish it very well using bone folder. Take out all the air bubbles and paste it nicely. Now I am again cutting both the images using fussy cutting technique. And this is done. Now it's time to color this. So for the coloring purpose I am using watercolors, and you can also use acrylic colors, sketch pens, anything which you have. And quickly I am just showing you the coloring part and also doing little bit of shading for the depth. So this is done. Now I'm taking elephant and coloring this as well. Now here I am taking this ceramic cone in orange color and I am just doing outlining of all the parts using this cone. This is the ready-made cone, but you can make your own cone. I have already shown how to make your own cones in one of the video, and if you haven't seen that video yet, I have given link in description box so you can learn from that video. And this is done. Now I'm starting with decorating the camel. So here I'm taking 1/8 strip of yellow color in 2 mm. You can also use 3 mm strips and securing the end and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have prepared some more yellow and green color tight coils. Now I am taking back the camel and I will start decorating it wherever required. Then I am adding some stone chains, ball chains and the mirrors. Like this, similarly I will decorate in some more parts. Now I'm adding one drop shape stone in the center and some more silver color stones here and there on the body. Just making the eyes using black marker. And the beautiful camel is ready. Allow it to dry for some time completely. Now I'm taking the elephant. I have done the outlining for the elephant as well using yellow color ceramic cone. Just I'm contrasting the color combination. And now I'm decorating the elephant as well using some tight coils, mirrors and stone chain ball chains. Here on this yellow part I am taking blue color ceramic cone, making cross design. and on each intersect point I am adding half cut white color pearl. Like this, and at the end I am just making the eye using black color marker, and the beautiful elephant is also ready. I have decorated it using the same pattern and it's looking very vibrant and beautiful. So the camel and elephant is ready. Now it's time to make the hanging. So here I'm taking the needle and fish net thread and one keychain hanging, just passing my thread through this, making some knots. And then here I am taking drop shape pearls, just passing total 10 pearls. You can also use normal circular pearls. Then taking one red color bead, one pearl bead, again one red bead, and adding 4 more drop shape pearls. Then I am taking the elephant and exactly in the center I have created one hole. So I am passing my needle through this, making some knots. And from back side I am taking out the needle, making a knot again, and from the below hole I am passing the thread again, making some more knots. Then I am passing 4 drop shape pearls, again red bead, pearl bead, red bead, then 4 more pearls and passing it through the camel as well. Then at the end I am passing 6 to 7 more pearls. And taking this ready-made tassel, you can also use handmade tassel, passing through the pearls again till the top and making some knots. Cutting the thread, and here I have added double-sided tape, just removing the liner, securing my thread into this, and to hide this thread portion I will cover it with gold mirror cardstock circle. So the beautiful wall hanging is ready. You can create the pair of this hanging to hang on both the sides of the door, and you can also use only elephant hanging or only camel hanging. Both will look nice. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.